So today I'm bringing to you the Palantir technology stock. So Palantir technology stock basically it's also an AI related stock. And then to give you a little glimpse on the website, this is their website. This is their website. This is Palantir. You can click on it and go and read it up, understand their services, understand what they render, and then just to get to know more about the particular stock. So that being the case, we can now come to their charts, which we love most, where we'll do our technical analysis to be able to ascertain if it's a particular stock to purchase at the moment or not. So now, for the Palantir stock, we can clearly see that Palantir is already close to what we would call as traders take profit level. So the reason for that is this. Now, Palantir has actually been attaining a lot of highs this period, and if we should look at the current value in price of Palantir, current value in price it's at $43.13, which we can call 13 cents. That's the current value of a share or a unit of Palantir stock. Now, when we come to the technical chart section to be able to see one or two things on Palantir stock, I would simply say we really don't have much to say on this particular stock. I really don't have much to say on this particular stock because, one, we are currently at what we would call the almost the highest point of Palantir, you understand? So what we can only say is maybe if Palantir breaks this high, and maybe tends to come back into this area, then we can look to take our buys into the higher areas. You get, so that's one thing we can do for Palantir. But for now, it's actually not a time for me to invest in this particular stock. Why? Because it has really rallied to the upside. It has really rallied to the upside. Now, when was the time it actually hit the previous high? That was in 2021. And up from 2021, I think during the COVID-19 period, it dropped massively for a whole year and then began to make its wave to the upside up from 2022 till date. So that's it. That's basically what we have on this particular Palantir stock. So I would simply go to the smaller time frame. Let me see the structures it created, if they were favorable for us to make entries on this particular Palantir stock. Okay, very good. Yeah, we can see such structures. We can see markets breaking the levels, breaking these areas and retesting it, and then it pumps to the upside. It also gave us a break at this area and also retested it without taking out the low, pumped to the upside. For re-entries, it gave us a break also at this point. Give us a break at this point and then pumped to the upside. Yeah, pumped to the upside and retested into this area also and pumped again. Retested into this area without clearing the low, pumped again. So it might actually give us a retest before clearing this high, but that is not actually a move we'll be looking or anticipating to take on Palantir. So that is all we have on Palantir at the moment. It's not a stock I would advise anyone to purchase at the moment, though their business may be going fine, booming, and all of that. we have to wait for Palantir stock to have drops. You understand? We have to wait for it to create new levels of lows for us to possibly look into purchasing the stock. To add the last value, I would always say we can, for people who would actually want to still purchase this stock, you can simply wait for price to tap this trend line. So you can simply wait for market to come back and tap this trend line. So this is a very straightforward trend line. You can simply wait, maybe when market clears this high, comes back into this area, taps this trend line, and then we see rejections at this point. You can look to buy into the highs. You can look to take your market into these highs. So that is all we have for Palantir at the moment. That's what we have for Palantir at the moment. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace. Please do support my channel by subscribing so that you get more of this my wonderful content, and will help you to basically have a better understanding and take better decisions on stocks and currency pairs, cryptos, any market you decide to trade. You want me to analyze any pair, you can drop them on the comment section, and I would look into those, creating a content on those particular pairs. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace.